Headley, David Coleman Headley, key plotter in the 26/11 attacks, has now claimed in a Chicago court that Yusuf Raza Gilani attended his father's funeral. Let's go across to Ridhim Bharadwaj, who's joining us with more details. Ridhim, Headley hinting at very close links with the Pakistan Prime Minister himself.
Absolutely, Tamanna, and that's the big breaking here because there are more revelations coming out. Pakistan's Prime Minister's PRO is confirming that in fact he is the half-brother Daniel Gilani of David Headley. Now remember, this fact is being admitted by Headley on day 7th of his admissions in Tahabur Rana's case. It really does point to speculations, more questions being raised against the Pakistan government and the ISI on their involvement in the 26/11, and that's the pertinent point here. It's not about the Prime Minister going ahead attending a funeral, it's more about speculations being raised. This was someone who's one of the biggest masterminds of the 26/11, David Coleman Headley. He going ahead and having links. His father's funeral being attended by the Prime Minister does raise several questions on the 26/11 attacks, on whether in fact the ISI links with 26/11 are absolutely apt, as is being said time and again by David Headley in Tahabur Rana's case. This is something that the Pakistan government and the ISI will have to answer soon. It's something that's being said on every day of this Tahabur Rana trial, whether it's day 1, day 2. David Coleman Headley sticking to the facts, clearly admitting once again that in fact the ISI did have links with the 26/11 attacks. Now remember, the big thing here not only being that the Pakistan Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani going ahead attending the funeral, but the bigger thing here that his half-brother Daniel Gilani does work as the PRO at the Prime Minister's office. So as we are saying, there are several questions that do need to be answered at this point of time by the Pakistan government, by the ISI, how they go about defending themselves and clarifying the stand that's being said once again by David Coleman Headley in Tahabur Rana's case, linking them to the 26/11 attacks, is the pertinent focus that one must keep their eyes on.
All right, thank you for that, Ridhim Bharadwaj. There with those latest details. It's a fresh revelation from David Coleman Headley.